What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be working on the new knife model for the giveaway and my just my new knife I'm coming out with. New design. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you've seen this model, calling this one the nickel. Well, the one step up from this, we're calling the dime. Here it is. There's my little stencil, so you can see similar length, just a lot thicker. And then instead of the thin crosscut saw blades, this one is going to be made out of an old, this is a concrete saw, diamond tip saw. This is some nice thick material. Now I went ahead and got the billet cut out off camera and got the stencil drawn on there so we can get straight to shaping it out and getting everything ready. Yeah, let's get this project on the move. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. We got the blade to shape. I went ahead and got it cleaned up as much as I want. I'm okay with a little bit of patina and stuff that's on it from it being a saw blade before. Went ahead and got my handle scales cut out and got them drilled. Now we got to get everything glued and pinned and get it in some clamps. Alright, gonna let this dry and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. 24 hours. This model is the Dime, so I think that's how I'm going to do the logo. The names for each model is going to be based on the name, you know, it's going to corresponding number. Let's get to making a sheath for this thing. Alright, y'all. Got this one finished up. Pretty happy with it. I'm happy with everything except my bevels, because I'm freehanding them. They got a little wonky right here. You can see where that waves versus this side's a little more uniform all the way down. The edge thickness. I just ordered some 1, 2, 3 blocks, so I'll hopefully get that fixed in the future. This is just the prototype. I'll be making a similar one, but better bevels for the giveaway. So this will be an option for my giveaway. Go back to the last video I posted a week ago to figure out how to join the giveaway, enter, and yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. This model I'm calling the Dime. Hence the name right there. That's how I'm going to do the branding for these. It's going to be those little stamps. Let me know what y'all think. This fits really well in the hand right here. Little 3-finger grip. Really solid right there. Like rock solid in your hand. You can do a pinch grip right here. You can choke up on it. And it's kind of fits nice, real nice. You want to process some game. You can reverse pinch grip. And this point of the handle, and you pushing right here, pushes it down into your hand and makes it really solid for striking ferro rods. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Like I said, this one's the prototype. I'll be keeping this one. The one for the giveaway will be, the bevels will be fixed. They probably will not be as wide as this one is. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. When we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be giving either one of these away. First place will be getting the choice of one of these knives. My model I'm calling the Nickel. Or a buck trapper. Second place gets what's left over after first place picks, and third place gets a custom knife slip to whatever dimensions you want. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all for checking it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Get to 500 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. Yeah, thank you all very much for watching. Until next time, peace.